Hey everyone, welcome to our first look at the renovated 181st Street here at the Washington Heights line. Right now, we're at 184th Street and 4 Washington Avenue, right across the street from Bennett Park, the natural's highest point here in Manhattan. And the MTA earlier today did a press conference regarding having the station now fully accessible for those with disabilities. In other words, wheelchairs, strollers, walkers. So let's look out the new station. Let's take a look. Here's the entrance and an odd traffic light. But so previously before the opening, the station were often be entered by a ramp. And using that same elevator that previously served only from street level to here to lower mezzanine. But now we have a ramp. Similarly, that we have on 191st Street along the 1. Both those same elevators that we got on is also often used, in other words, seen at stations like Clark Street along the 2 and the 3, the R train at Court Street, and at the deepest station yet, that's 191st Street. Now, let's see the work that was done. And as you see on the neighborhood map, and the escalator and elevator status. Here are the elevators. And now we are going to swipe our Metro card. And as you see, the tracks below. And guess what? New artwork done by Carmen Lizardo. Great Waves of Immigration. And guess what? Guess what else, folks? We have 2 new elevators that are ADA accessible. And also we have this beautiful walkway that we are going to explore in a few minutes. There's an R46 rolling into the station. And also we have a walkway that is above the tracks between the 184th Street entrance and the 181st Street entrance. And still, you could see the trains below. Here's a stairway that leads to the platform level towards 27th, towards Brooklyn and Queens. And towards the end is the entrance that leads to 181st Street and Fort Washington Avenue. And the sign below indicates us where the elevator is located, that in the downtown side is where the platform, and towards 207th is towards the front of the platform. Let's explore a little bit the platform level. And we're gonna ride the elevator as well. And as we speak, we have some workers from the station department doing some work here at the station. And as you see, the station is let's say that you could switch between both platforms. And here's the elevator. That smell of a new elevator. And as we are getting up the elevator, the train to 207 is arriving. So to conclude this first look, we are going to attend. Damn, auto service already? Uh-oh. Something happened to the elevator that is auto service already. So we will have to submit a complaint log through MTA's website regarding the elevator. But please, in the station, don't do lethal things. Like, for example, climbing over this to fall down there. Or do not even attempt to subway surf on top of train. At least at this particular station, because that will be the dumbest thing of your lives. And we don't want to lose another life due to subway surfing already, because it has been enough. But at least the station needs a little bit of paintwork along the walls. But upon having conversations with the Capital and Construction and Development President Jamie Torres Springer, that is going to be into consideration.
My life is built on quality. So I'm afraid of it.
And very soon, 168th Street on the one line will be ADA accessible for the first time. Also, Beach 67th Street on the Fall Walkway branch. In other words, on the Fall Walkway line on DA. But these three escalators right here were down for over a year. And people had to realize from those stairs that had approximately 300 and something steps. But thank thanks to James Hunter's team, these escalators right here are working just fine. And basically, this is the south side of the station. But even this station right here, this side, is very prone to fare evaders. And this will conclude the first look at 181st Street.